To use Office 365, you will need to choose one of the apps. One of the most common ones is your school email. Click onto Outlook. Your inbox will have all the messages you have received in either focused or other. Your drafts that you haven't sent will be down here. Your deleted items will be down here as well. To send a new message, click the New Message button. You could send it to anybody who is within Kingsmead School's directory. So that could be other students if necessary, or members of staff. You add a subject which explains your email, and you write an email in an appropriate way. To attach a file, click on Attach, and you either browse the computer that you are working on, or by browsing cloud locations, you will be able to attach a file from your OneDrive account. When you are ready, click Send. If you click on the Kingsmead School logo, or on what is called the waffle, that's the 9 squares, you will be able to go back to Office 365 or change to another one of the apps. OneDrive will have in it all the files that you have got uploaded, saved or created using Office 365. You may have some folders here, or you may just have a list of files. So what you do, once you click on the Start Messages and Prompts, then you're able to create new Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, etc. Another thing you can do is you can go directly to an app like Word or PowerPoint. Make a blank presentation, or if you've got recent ones, they will show up. When you do this, once again, it will save your presentation into your OneDrive account. You will have access to the basic features of PowerPoint or Word or Excel or whatever you choose by working inside your web browser. You can also put your work into the desktop app if you have it available, which we will mention in a minute, by clicking Open in Desktop App. If you go to Office 365 and wish to install the desktop apps, then you go to Install Office. Click the Office 365 Apps button, which will install the desktop versions of all our common applications. You are licensed to be able to do this on a desktop or laptop computer while you are part of the school. When you leave the school, your license will expire. Click on the link, and then when asked, download the application and follow the instructions to click Run, say yes, and then activate your version of Office using your school email address. If you have any particular questions or problems beyond what's been explained in this video, then please get in touch with our leader of e-learning or our technical team at the school.